Hello everybody, I'm going to do a tune-up report today on the President Lincoln 2 Plus. We're doing this one for Nicholas in Washington. Alright Nicholas, we're going to start with the power all the way down on AM mode. We'll take a look at this watt meter right here. We're going to set it to read 10 watts on the top scale. 1 watt on its minimum. And then go to the next scale. There's 10, 20, 30 on the bottom there. We'll turn the power all the way up. Got 12 there. And peak power on this 100 watt slug. There's 40 watts on the bottom there. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. And let's put it in sideband mode. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. You guys are sick of hearing me doing that, aren't you? Maybe we'll switch to that machine so that you don't have to hear me anymore. Alright, let's see what else we got. FM, I didn't do FM. I always miss FM and it's become more important lately, so. FM all the way up is 30 watts, you see there. And we'll go over to this one on the 10 watt scale. Power all the way down on FM, 0.6, 0.5. All right. There you have it. How about? Sounds like we're in FM. There we go.
Estoy sabiendo, ¿ves?
You can hear it better. How about a 15? Anybody hear my radio? Breaker.
Right there, screwdriver. Take it down to 14. How about a screwdriver?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right there, yeah. I got somebody on 15 talking to me. What's going on? Let me hear it.
I just want to try this radio real quick. Figure you might be out there, Roger.
Right there. 135. You're giving me 5 pounds. Modulation pretty solid for a barefoot.
10-4. I appreciate it, man. You get back up to the conversation. I appreciate you coming down here. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Right there.